All right, what's up everyone? It is July 5th and today I got out of work. It is 7 o'clock already. Holy cow. But me, Lyric, Jax, Lyric is doing the $40 challenge. So he went with his own money, went to Dunham's, bought himself this awesome red, white, and blue pole for the 4th of July and some baits, and we're gonna see if we can go out to some ponds and see if we can catch some fish off 40 bucks worth of tackle. So stay tuned, try to get some footage of him catching some big old bass in the swamp.
Oh, I'm using a $30 4th of July pole. We got a jig head that looks like something with the crawdad on it, maybe? Like a minnow or something? Yeah, so this is gonna be a $40 challenge. Hopefully we can catch some bass. What is that? Oh,
Ooh,
got
there's
something.
one.
Oh.
Got off. That's what that hook set does.
Yeah. Couldn't tell what it was. There we go. Oh, I'm setting the hook. Oh, got something. There we go. Finally. About time.
That was on the $30 pole.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see that bad boy.
Oh, barely had him too. No.
Not bad.
Yeah.
$30 pole. Nice little jig. Good job, buddy. Don't slip again.
There's one. Oh, this is a nice one. Oh.
Get him out of the weeds.
Oh, look. Jeez.
Get it up. There you go. A little bigger, ain't it?
Yeah. Ow, his teeth. Sharp.
Nice work. How you doing over there, Jax? Let's see that bait again, Lear.
Oh.
Just a pink jig head. Look at that.
My...
Look at that turtle by your bait, Jax.
What the heck?
All right.
There's one. That's two. Jackson got another one.
Oh.
Got off. Dang it. Not snagged. Oh. Why not try that? Oh, lazy cast. What? Got one.
That was, I seen that one hit.
Jack, there's one. Where? Yeah. Jack, come up. Just cast right up in there.
You missed it.
No.
Get it, get it, get it.
Oh, wait. No.
He's stuck. Just grab him. Yep. Hard. You got him. There you go. Good job, buddy.
Jack, come up by us and just cast up in here.
Let's see him, Lear.
Nice little dink. Get a release.
Put him right next to it. Here, I got you.
I got cut by a thing.
All right. All right, give it a cast. Bass. I got the old clown right now. Lyric's old $30 pole's been doing pretty good. Oh, Jax has got one.
Keep it down. Keep the pole down.
Bring it over. Drag it in. Nice work, Jax. Go grab it.
Here, can you hold my pole?
Yep.
'Cause I'll grab it.
What kind is it?
Bass. I'm gonna cast on the weed line and see if we can get any.
Might have to walk over there and pull it up. We're running out of light and we're running out of battery. Swampy mess, ain't it? Get him.
Huh?
Get him.
I can't cast overhead with your pole.
I like when you boss me around.
There's something. There's a massive bluegill over there.
Where?
Oh, it's over there. Look at it. Swimming up.
He's got it.
Got it. There we go. Dude.
Got off.
Yeah, he jumped out.
He had it for a long time and spit it out.
Oh,
Lyric.
look at that spider. Oh, there's that bass again.
Oh, I'm gonna catch anything. A small thing.
Got it.
There we go. There we go.
Good hook set, Lyric. Oh, got off.
You good?
Yep, you're good.
Where's it? Where's the fish?
It fell off the last second.
That was a great hook set, though, Lyric. You let him swallow it and then set it. I just turned the camera off and look what Lyric does.
Ouch! Bit me.
Nice job, dude.
Thanks. Thank you, Jax.
Mm-hmm.
I saw that thing come for it. I just let it sit there and it swallowed it. See, you can take $40, go out, buy yourself a pole, and worth of tackle and stuff, catch a bass, nice ones. Go to anything, catch some bass. These things are nice.
Fun, aren't they?
Oh yeah,
We have a blast out here, don't we?
oh yeah. Get a release on this boy.